How to create contact us page in your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create contact us page or contact us form in your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard and then in this dashboard you can choose your website, so I'm gonna choose this one, and then you will be in this dashboard, and then you can go ahead to the website on the left screen and then go to a page. So basically, there is a templates from Squarespace you can use to create a contact us page. So, let's say you want to add a new page here in the main navigation, you can click plus icon here, and then you can see there is an option to create contact. This one, you can click it, and then I have some templates here. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one. Actually, I already have contact. No, 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 I don't have it. So yeah, it's good. I'm gonna add new one. So this is my contact page. So let's say I'm gonna edit here. So oops, click again. Yeah. So I can modify everything, anything here. So maybe I can, change this text, if you want. And then this is the contact form. So the customers can fill the form and contact you. So you can actually, modify everything here. And it's up to you. You can modify the design and others, so you can explore more. So I think that's it, how to create a contact us page. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.